In this video, we will talk about how to use Raydium swap Solana Dex. So first, what you need to do is set up a wallet for use with Raydium. Since it's on the Solana network, you'll need a wallet like Phantom. If you're on mobile, Slope may be the better option. Download Phantom from its official site, pick your browser, add the extension, and then create a new wallet or restore one using your seed phrase. You'll be shown 12 recovery words. Make sure to save them securely. Then set up a password, confirm, and finish. Now Phantom will appear in your browser. Open it and you'll see options for deposit, send, collectibles, swap, activity, and settings. To fund your wallet, buy Solana from Coinbase or another exchange, then send it to your Phantom deposit address. Once it arrives, return to Raydium, click connect and select Phantom. Approve the connection and you're linked. Now, pick the token you want to swap from, in my case Solana, and the one you want to swap into like Ray. Enter the amount, for example 0.05, check the details like slippage and price impact, then press swap and approve. The transaction confirms quickly and the tokens show up in Phantom. You can repeat the same steps for other tokens such as swapping Sol into USDC. Fees are minimal and transactions process in seconds. If you use a mobile wallet like Slope, you can still access your same wallet with the same recovery phrase. Thanks for watching.